another episode of
Enchanted.
So today, unbox natin yung gift nila.
Ayan ang Yosa.
Yeah! Okay, let's go!
Let's go. Can I remove this?
Go ahead.
Guys, it's okay. Okay. Then almost here. Then, come on.
Tigas ah.
Open sesame.
Whoop! Okay, there you go. What's that? Oh, so isang malaking stuffed toy pala siya sa loob. Pero meron siyang kasamang slime. So para siyang mermaid na elephant. Kasi meron siyang trunk eh.
Look at this. Look at this.
Wow.
Look at this.
And meron siyang wings. So cute. Remove it para makita mo yung surprise. Yeah, peel. Oh! Dapat pala slowly lang, sweetheart. Slowly, kasi baka mapunit ulit. Baka maiwan. There you go! May paper dito. And then, may surprise daw dito. You have to scratch it. Para siyang mga scratch things. Ganyan. So, I think we need a coin for this one. Meron pang mga surprise. We have to check. Oh, even pala the container. Meron pa pala, muntik maiwan. Even the container.
I can.
Yung parang horn niya.
I can.
Wait lang.
I can.
Oh, this one is a separate toy pa pala.
Can we open it?
No, na anak eh. It's like a display lang, ganyan siya.
It's just like
Yeah, like a shika.
that might be broken also.
Yeah, because yung ganito namin na galing sa Hong Kong got broken. Oh, it was an accident naman. Oh, you open it na. Oh, you need help? Naku, parang may napunit na shouldn't be mapunit. There, oh, may napunit. What's that?
Wow! Oh my gosh!
It's a sticker!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What's that?
Oh my gosh!
Wow.
Ay, one at a time, sweetheart. Nasama lahat. You have to get it one by one lang. Let's put it back, okay?
Okay.
Later, you can put it in your notebook. Okay?
Notebook. Okay.
Yeah. Open. Meron po tayong tatlong
Open.
surprise.
Sesame.
Ooh. Oh, it's a kinetic sand.
Wow.
Wow.
What's
Wait, there's something
that?
else.
There's something else.
May something else pa sa loob ng kinetic sand. Ang dami palang laman nito. I thought just the stuffed toy eh.
Yes.
Oh, mga beads and like tali. Parang ano to, bracelet. Panggawa ng bracelet. Pero later na lang siguro kasi baka magtalsikan yung mga ano.
Look, Mama.
Yeah. Oh, kinetic sand.
It's
Twinning nga pala kami ngayon kasi gusto ni Kitty na twinning daw kami.
egg.
Hair clips!
What's that?
Hair clip, sweetheart.
What's that?
And then this one is, baka ito yung pang-mix ng ano? Pang-mix ng dalawang hair clip eh. There's another one daw. There. So, meron siya kasamang dalawang hair clips.
Is that for mixing?
I think so. I think that's for the mixing. Oh, that's a bubble mixture. I'll open this one na kasi ano siya eh, liquid eh. I'll open this one na lang kasi liquid siya, anak. Basically, bubble siya. Excuse me, sweetie. Wait. Let's put. Yan. Akala ko kanina slime. Bubbles pala.
We're making a slime.
No, it's just bubbles. Oh.
It's bubbles.
Oh, go.
That's
Wow!
bubbles.
Oops.
Wow. Look up.
Yan.
Oopsie. What's that? For the sand? For the sand.
Yeah, it can be. It can be for the sand. Yeah. Oopsie, you can mix it with the sand. Pero I think the main purpose is anak, you put it here in the thread. Or the Ano nga bang term
Or
ito?
something else.
Yeah, for the bracelet. Wait. Kailangan pa natin tas-tasin eh. Put it sa sand na lang there. Yan. Pero pang bracelet talaga siya. Ang hirap lang. Buhol-buhol kasi. Hindi ko ma-unravel.
Get out of the way.
O yan. Dito na lang. Yan. Pero syempre, yeah, with supervision kasi nga may mga maliliit na stuff.
Get out of the way.
Ayan. O, you say bye-bye na. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ayan and Losa. Thank you. Bye-bye.